No, you pull from the under. You pull the string.
Okay.
Pull that. Pull that.
Okay, I've seen it.
Pull that. Just draw it off.
Okay. Am I wrapping the tail?
Unboxing.
Okay.
Yes, that's very good.
Unboxing.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Pull it from there. Like, just pull it
Okay.
up. Like that.
Whoa. This is the best part.
That sound.
Wow. And then it comes with the
Okay,
USB.
Well, you still have your head, right?
Yes. Oh, I think this is the user
User
manual.
manual,
Oh,
stickers,
and the.
and pin.
Okay. Oh wow. Oh, I don't think there's anything
open
under.
there.
Should I like switch it on?
Go ahead.
It feels so nice. Like it's square now. Like compared to the X. Good phone is good though. You guys, new iPhone unlocked. So excited. You guys don't even understand. What? Look at the color. Like, you guys, I picked blue and I feel like it's so cool. I'm amazed. I'm flabbergasted. I'm just like, this phone. And this is Boxing Day. Like, Christmas gifts came right on time. Hey guys, can you hear the music? Can you hear the music? Yes, we're going to crash a party that they don't invite us to because they've been disturbing us every day. Oh, because this December, Christmas, every day music. I hope you can hear the music. We're going to crash the party. Oh yeah, let's go. We'll take drinks, take eat self. We'll say we're the celebrants, best friends, best cousins. We're on our way. Bye bye. You guys, I'm having second thoughts now that I'm outside my gate. Okay. Because I'm actually having second thoughts. I actually feel like they'll chase us out. You guys, there's bouncing castle and the gate is open, guys.
There's even popcorn.
There's even
Popcorn machine.
Be like, say we go. Oh, I'm having second thoughts, guys. What if we enter? Because the party is not big. What if we enter and then they recognize that we're not part of them and they chase us out, guys. It's so embarrassing. Should we enter?
I'm not going to see them again now.
Should we enter? Should we enter?
Wait, let's first look at where we are and sit down.
Oh yeah, now you guys were about to strategize. So it's apparently a church party, Christmas end of year kini beside our house. So what we'll say is that, oh, we came to this church before but we were not invited and now we feel very bad if they ask us why we're there. Like, bro, our house is just here and we've come to this church before and we feel very bad because we were not invited for this party. Why? Shebi? Oh yeah, now let's enter. We're going in now. So far, we've gotten some suspicious looks, but nobody has kicked us out yet. I feel like we'll just join the game. Should we join the game? And welcome to Angel's Kitchen. Come on in, come on in. Okay, so today is Boxing Day and this is my gift to my family. So like family members, if you're watching this, I'm already doing a Christmas present. I'm cooking fried rice, my specialty. So I already have the ingredients out here. Hey guys, so this is the sausage, curry, onions, green pepper, mixed veggies, and thyme and more curry, and pepper and salt to come out when needed. So yeah.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind as I fall apart.
Now that this is already on the stove, I'm just going to go ahead and prep the other materials I'm going to be using.
I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel it. help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life, we're picking up where we left, off and on again, we never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again, we're bringing this back to life.
Oh, okay, guys. So now that I've put the meat, because it's got this. Okay, guys. So now that the meat start.
Don't you forget your line like this now.
Sorry. Let me pack my hair back up. Now come close.
Closer.
Now you begin. So today we're making fried rice for my family. Today no open door.
That good season.
Shit.